How's it going, everyone? I'm just going to do a quick video on the Dometic AC. I'm going to do a quick settings on how to use it and see if you know about these different modes that you can actually use in it, because maybe you're running your air on low if you have a true system setup, where you can run it high or low or automatic. I'm going to show you the different steps right now on how to do that. Now, when you push it once, it's going to say high, low, or auto. Then you got your cool, and then you got your furnace, and you usually get one of them. If you have a 2 or 3 units, usually one of them just has the furnace on it. But the way how this works is, say if I put it on high, it'll just stay on all the time on high. If I put it on low, it's gonna turn back off and then start back on low speed. But if you put it on automatic, it'll automatically turn on and off. So when it reaches up to your temperature that you're looking for, it'll automatically turn back off. So if you're running your AC and it seems like it's hot and it's like not getting cool enough, check to see if it's on high and you just want it to run just like that. As you see, it came on and it'll stay just on high, unless you put it on automatic, which I usually do at night, and it makes it a lot better. So this is just a quick little video. The next video I'm gonna do on how to keep it cool. So thanks, and see you in the next one.